Hello guys, and welcome to a new Lambda of the month. The Lambda this time is RowNumberfromCellreference, and it is simply returning the row number from a hard-coded cell reference. And you know the standard way with using row and indirect. And the issue with this way is it's using indirect, and indirect is volatile. So I have a non-volatile Lambda for this, called RowNumberfromCellreference, that is working basically the same way. Let me show you what it is doing. So you can ignore the first part here. This is basically gamification, and if you would using this with leaving out this optional argument, then it would actually be volatile. So basically it's mapping in. I take everything after a potential lambda, a potential tab name, and then I'm substituting and splitting. And if it's a number, then it's filtered out and concatenated, and I therefore then have the row number. That was basically everything. It is especially useful if you want to make your Lambda collection non-volatile. Then this can be quite handy because you can then use it in other Lambdas, like distance calculation, for example. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you next time. Bye.